Hey everyone, welcome back to Bigleprachaun Bowling. On my way to get Jason for league this morning. Just wanted to say hi this morning. It's about 42 degrees here in New Oxford. Just wondering what everybody's thoughts were on your thing. I asked about that last week when I posted the ball review for my double cross. Last week on Wednesday night in league, I started out with resin in game one, nearly shot 149. For a while, switched my double cross to see what happens. And I hit 241, then had the front nine in game three for 276. So the reason why I'm asking what everybody's thoughts is on urethane is last week on Wednesday during league, I had a guy that was part of the team that we were bowling against. He didn't bowl, and he wasn't bowling. They had a sub for him, but yet he got all upset because I was throwing urethane against his team, and he called me a name that I really can't say on here. And the league I bowl Wednesdays is just a fun league, but the thing is, like, people get so upset about urethane and stuff like that. It's just chill and relax. If a person can't do anything with resin and they start doing good with urethane, can't go upset at them. So I'll see you guys later for league this morning, and then I'll get back to you later.
Missed her hand yesterday on it. She was doing a routine and her hand slipped on the bar, and she came down on the bar, hit her hip, and came off the bar. Okay, she now has a bruise from that hit. Joey didn't say a darn thing to her. Just looked at her and kind of rolled his eyes. He was pissed that she messed up, and then she stood there. Then 125. He said she'll have like two really good days, and then or 2 or 3 really good days, and then like she'll drop. So he said, I need her to be putting in 100. I won! Oh my god, it's so cute!
The golden
Things are broken, yeah?
Remember not to, but
That one wasn't so bad, but the previous one, it didn't get clear.
still got me right now.
Okay.
God.
No, depending on what you said.
What?
Because you have this hair.
Baby really got big.
That's not
I know,
true.
it's Tyler's tail joke. Jesus Christ. Wow. Wonder how fast this ball's gonna go down the lane. Hey guys, I just finished Tuesday morning league. I threw the double cross all morning. The first two games were great. I had a line, and then all of a sudden I lost the line. I don't know why. I spent the whole game trying to find the line. I only shot 178 the last game for 657. I had, let me see what I had here. I had 232, 247. It's over average. I'll take it. Should have been better. And I'll see you guys later on for tonight. Hey everybody, I just finished Tuesday night league. I had games of 234, 268. Thought I was going to have a good set. The right side went really weird. If you got the ball out to 10, it just took off. So I only shot like 154 because I was trying to find a line again the whole third game. I threw my old school ball of my Brunswick Diamondback. I looked up the one that came out. Ball came out in 09, so we're looking at like a 13-year-old ball. And then also, I like to get everybody's thoughts on what do you think of the USPC revoking their approval of the 2016-2017 Purple Hammers. It's the Purple Hammers before the takeover, before Brunswick bought out Ebony International. So I'd like to hear what everybody's thoughts on that. Also, I'd like to hear what your thoughts on about the Storm Spectre, which I guess Storm's still fighting to get that back out in the market. So I'd like to hear everybody's thoughts on that, and then I'll see you guys tomorrow night for Wednesday Night League.
Come on. Yeah. Go.
this, and then we'll try something else.
She tried to stay standing.
Hey guys, I just finished Wednesday Night League. Shot games at 258, 205, 201. 1 and 2. Third game, got a little bit of a late over-under. I'd like to give a shout out to the House Bowling. Subscribe to their channel. Ryan and Kyle's channel, JJ Shriver's channel. Subscribe to those. Also, don't forget to subscribe to mine. There will be a little bit of bonus footage before league tonight. Rolled the brunswick diamondback again all night, and then that's all I have. And I'll see you guys next week.